Hi, I'm Steve Jacobson, the CEO and founder of Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. We know not everyone has perfect credit, but we also know a lot of people with credit challenges still deserve to own a home. You're about to watch the story of an amazing couple who dreamed of helping unwanted animals in their home, but credit issues stood in their way. Fairway stepped in, however, and Melissa and Chris were able to buy the home of their dreams.
Yeah, get a little closer together.
Okay.
Then you guys can.
Okay.
Melissa and Chris Marino's dream was to run an animal rescue shelter right out of their home.
We have found that these guys need a farm environment, and so we're able to provide that for them. There's a mini pig epidemic. People believe that there are such things as like these pocket pigs, these mini pigs, and that they're going to stay small, and they don't.
But the couple feared they would never qualify for a mortgage because of their low credit scores.
You know, we both went through a lot, renting and living in people's attics or basements or machine shops with rats in them, and we had bad credit, we had no money in our savings. I mean, we were just a mess.
But Melissa's Fairway loan officer encouraged her to apply anyway.
She said, give us all your information and we'll run your numbers. And I'm telling her, like, we don't have an extra penny for a down payment. Like, I don't have any money to pay you to run our stuff. And she was like, no, it's free. Like, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Like, I've dealt with crazy situations before. Like, let's just see. So she ran our stuff, and you know, I told him, and he was like, why did you even do that? It's a scam. We're gonna have to pay her now.
I'm the kind of person where until it's like done, I don't believe it. The whole time I kind of just, she'd be all excited, you know, talking about it, and I would just kind of turn my ear.
Chris and Melissa did have low credit scores, but they saw how simple it could be to improve their credit.
When Fairway gave us the roadmap on where we had to be with our credit and our savings, it wasn't even a month before we were at where we needed to be. I was walking by down this hallway and I noticed this cat door here. And I asked, our realtor, I said, what is that?
In Melissa and Chris's case, they just needed to pay down about $160 on 2 credit accounts, which then boosted their score enough to qualify for an FHA loan.
I was like, okay, this is becoming more and more like our dream home, like this house was built for us. We got approved for way more than we even thought we would. So that was just amazing.
Melissa and Chris quickly found the home that enabled them to realize their dreams.
We put in the offer, and they came back to us with, are you guys okay with if we leave our chickens and our roosters and things like that? And to me, I'm like, this is literally turning into my dream home that I didn't even know was possible. And they accepted the offer, and it was just unbelievable. Like the feeling of, oh my God, like we're moving, there's a closing date. And then to finally look around and be like, we can really do this, we can keep going. We're an established animal rescue. This is Yogi. He was actually supposed to only be in the animal shelter for 10 days, and he was waiting for a court case that was never coming. They said that she was a huge nuisance and that she fell out of their second story window. It was just too much, so they had to get rid of her. Next came Doodle. She wasn't able to use her back legs or wag her tail. It was like a $5,000 surgery, or there was a lot of stuff that, I could YouTube and find out how to help her at home with water therapy, just in our own bathtub. And so I did that, and a few months later, her tail started wagging, and she started walking again all on her own when we were told that she would never walk again. Everyone has a story here, and they're lovable, and so that's what we kind of want to do here, is kind of give them a place of sanctuary, because if it doesn't work out somewhere else, they always have a place in our home.